Sometimes the biggest opportunities are almost invisible at first. Like Bitcoin in 2014. Most people had barely heard of it. It was trading around 318 to 378 rupees, roughly 25,000 to 30,000 rupees. Many dismissed it as a fad, an experiment, or just too early to take seriously. Most professionals, even the ones who knew about it, waited. They wanted certainty, they wanted guarantees. And then, the people who acted early, long before the opportunity was obvious, benefited the most. Today, those same coins are worth over 83 lakh rupees each. And here's the key: they didn't succeed because they were geniuses, they succeeded because they were early. Now, look at India's support and operations sector. We're standing at a similar inflection point. Something foundational is shifting quietly, without hype, without media noise. Most professionals don't even realize it, but we're living through a moment that will define careers for the next 10 years. Those who act early, who start learning and experimenting now, will be a decade ahead, just like early movers in Bitcoin or tech before them. Here's the thing: this isn't about AI replacing humans. That narrative is misleading. AI isn't taking jobs, it's removing inefficiency. It exposes inconsistencies, reveals patterns, surfaces gaps, and streamlines workflows. But AI can't interpret those gaps meaningfully without skilled human intervention. AI alone works middle to middle. The first 20% and last 20% of any meaningful process, support, delivery, escalation, still requires human judgment, context, empathy, and decision making. That's where professionals like you come in. This is huge for support and operations pros. Support executives, ops coordinators, MIS staff, onboarding teams, BPO, KPO staff, client delivery personnel. If you already understand the operational backbone of a business, AI gives you the ability to expand your role dramatically. Even basic AI skills let you solve problems that were previously invisible. You can operate at a strategic level and contribute to growth and stability in ways companies simply cannot ignore. The problems you solve every day: customer confusion, delayed communication, inconsistent follow ups, unstructured feedback, manual errors, broken workflows are exactly the areas where AI creates the most value when used correctly. Because of this, a new category of roles has emerged in the last 18 to 24 months. Chatbot supervisor, conversational AI designer, human AI workflow manager, customer sentiment analyst, AI operations specialist, onboarding automation coordinator, review management strategist, and support process architect. These roles aren't technical in the traditional sense. You don't need to code, engineer, or model math. Startups and SMEs, especially in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, Singapore, and UAE, are growing fast. They need generalists who understand support and operations deeply and can use AI tools to design workflows that prevent churn, reduce refunds, avoid negative reviews, and strengthen customer journeys. Every company has two engines: business development, which brings in customers, and delivery, which ensures those customers stay, succeed, and become advocates. Most companies overinvest in business development and neglect delivery until it collapses. That's your opportunity. Consider some real stories. Bhavana started at $3 an hour, assisting a Canadian company with basic support. She learned AI powered workflows, process audits, follow ups, and delivery support. Soon, she was offered more responsibility, then a full time role, and eventually equity in the company. Today, she earns 2.5 lakh rupees per month. Mariam, a housewife from Sangli with no corporate experience, learned AI automation for scripting, sentiment analysis, workflow structuring, review management, and coordinating processes. She secured multiple international clients and now earns far more than most traditional support professionals in Tier 1 cities. Other examples reinforce the trend. Kumudini earned $20,000 US in 3 months by improving onboarding and delivery processes for international clients. Samriddhi, a college student, earned $2,500 a month while studying by creating internal operational systems for founders. Ramesh Chandan built over $100,000 post retirement by managing workflows that younger, more technical candidates couldn't fully grasp. These are not isolated cases, they're early signals of a major shift. A large portion of global hiring in the next year will focus on support and operations, but not the same kind of work people are doing today. This is why learning AI ops skills now is like buying Bitcoin in 2014. It's early, it's unfamiliar, it feels optional. Most people will wait until it's obvious, by which time it will be crowded. But if you invest now, you gain multi year advantages. You become the professional companies rely on to scale. You understand the new landscape before anyone else and shape how support and operations will look over the next decade. Indian professionals are uniquely positioned because of cost advantage and familiarity with support and operations, but only if they build the right capabilities now. If you want to ride this wave, we're hosting a free 3-day bootcamp on December 13th, 14th, and 15th, 2025. It's live, no recordings, and you can attend from anywhere in the world. We show you a 6-month roadmap to earning 1 lakh rupee plus per month, building AI-powered chatbots and voice agents without coding, performing sentiment analysis to improve customer journeys, auditing support performance, creating AI knowledge bases, training juniors, supporting international SMEs with review management, and building a track record for global work. This is your chance to step ahead, understand the opportunities before anyone else, and start building a career that companies cannot ignore. See you at the bootcamp.